Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to one more amazing session from Infinity Land. This is Suresh, Faculty of Chemistry. How are you all doing? So you're entering into 2025 new year and you're going to write your NEET examination even in 2025. All the best for your new year and your NEET examination, right? So, Bacho, please confirm, can you able to see me? Can you able to hear me? And today we are going to discuss about NEET reasoning based multiple choice questions with rapid fire. So which includes both physical, organic and inorganic mix matching. So it's just like you feel it is a simple multiple choice questions, but there is a proper reasoning for answering in every question. So ready for that everybody? Just give me a thumbs up and fire emoji fatafat in the chat box so that we can start the session. And before going for the session, a little introduction from about Infinity Land, Bacho. So what Infinity Land is doing for the students preparing for NEET examination, I can show you 4 students as an example to motivate you guys. This is for 11th and 12th mix matching beta. And you can see Ashrita, Akil Verma and Hema Jyoti Sachinaran. Just to see the 2 types scores over here, the scores which they got in 2023 and the scores they got in 2024. You can see Ashrita got 310 marks in 2023 NEET examination, and in 2024 she got 661 marks. There is a 351 marks increment. How it is possible? The score is almost doubled. You can see Akil Verma 313 to 658 and Hemajuti 310 to 652, Sachinaran 330 to 650. You can see 351 score increased and 345 score increased and 342 and 320. And this much increment, more than a double, you can see because they attended the classes like you on YouTube platform and various courses from the Infinity Land, and they followed us, and the Infinity Land academic drive made this. So you will be the next for 2025 NEET results. Ready for that? A thumbs up and fire emoji so that we can go for the next slide, Bacho. And for that you just still motivated. Once you motivated, get a like and share and subscribe this session. So crack your NEET examination and grab your medical seat in a premier medical colleges, right? Very good. And also as your test prep with Infinity Land, we have Infinity Land Meta app. It is there in the Google Store and you can just download it, and you can see live classes are available and mock test you can attempt, and also CYO to create your own test, and 24/7 doubt resolution sessions. And also we are in social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and we are also there in the Telegram channel. So in the Telegram channel, Bacho, you can see join in a Telegram channel. Link is there in the description box so that you can just see daily quizzes and also सेशन शेड्यूल्स एंड सेशन नोट्स. हर सेशन का नोट्स आपको PDF फॉर्म में फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट को मिलेगा, एंड आल्सो सेशन असाइनमेंट्स एंड मेनी मोर. So link is there in the description box. You can just click it and join in Telegram channel, and you can use your preparation for NEET examination, bacho. And also pathway to academic success, learner's journey with Infinity Land. How it is AI आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का हलचल आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड इंडियाज फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस enabled academic program is driven by Infinity Land. Yes, it is true. And you can see goal settings and set your academic goals and skill enhancement goals, and you will be having awesome study lectures, live classes by expert faculties, and also you can see test paper analysis, in-depth AI analysis you are going to see, so that you should know where you stand. And also self-study, learn, practice and revise, conceptual videos, mock test and practice test, flashcards and for revisions, and also you will be having doubt resolution. The doubt resolution is interacted with artificial intelligence enabled tools, and any doubt anytime, and your doubt is going to be one click away. Mind it. And it is QR code ek bar scan karo and you can do the best. And also you will be having India's largest scholarship examination, that is score examination, and is already on live, and it is purely online. You can sit at your home and you can write the score examination, and description box a link is given. You can just click that link and you can go ahead with that. And why it is India's largest scholarship examination? And yes, it is true, because it provides a scholarship worth of 1 crore rupees, and study setup and laptop bhi hai, and educational allowances, and up to 100% scholarships are available, and it is purely available. You can be related to Infinity Land, and you may be studying with any other college or the school, still you are eligible to write this, because in this core examination score, description box link is given, click it and registration form will be opened. You can write this. Okay beta, and Manha, are you there? Okay, just click that link and you can go ahead with that. And at last but not least, you can see NEET 2025 All India Test Series Pack, which includes 27 AITS examination papers, and which contains 13 unit test, 4-part test and grand test based on NEET pattern. And Ajay, hello. And online 20 online NEET full syllabus mock test bhi hai, and also grade 12 and grade 11 syllabus usme cover kiya jayega, and 25 NEET topic wise previous year questions. And of course 3 physics chemistry books with video solutions are available, and video solutions are available on the app, and detailed solutions and performance reports for every test. And last, and your performance is going to be benchmarked with Sri Chaitanya students, so that you will be having a precise prediction about where you exactly stand. That is very important. And this course is for 10,000 rupees. When you apply the coupon code SR40, you are going to get automatic discount 4,199. And while late, you try to grab this for this cheaper price, special discount, and you apply SR40 coupon code, mind it, and you can get into that. So all the best for your NEET preparation. Ready? And description box, this All India Test Series package is available and you can do it. Betcho, Ajay, Ray, and what late, we are going to start with rapid fire questionnaire. Ready for that? And tell me the reason also when you opt for something. So, Bacho, everybody take a pen and paper and follow my class along with the reasoning questions, and every question is going to be have a proper reasoning and analysis, and you please make a note of it. Okay, right. So, in the formation of I3 minus, the Lewis base is, question is simple. The questions that I am discussing here is simply based on NEET, and I want the answer in the chat box. Fatafat, take time, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, because NEET examination is a rapid fire round. So I just want to make an calculation of that. Everybody please do that. And Ajay, Manha and other students online, please click the answer and put your answer in the chat box. Make it fast, jaldi. अरे फटाफट देना. उसमें लुईस बेस क्या है? एक्चुअली दिस I3 माइनस है ना. यू फील दिस इज अरे I माइनस प्लस I2 gives rise I3 minus. We know this equation, and in this equation, array is inorganic. This is an inorganic chemistry. In this inorganic chemistry, I just want to say Lewis base. उसमें Lewis base होता है क्या? Lewis base lone pair donor. Lone pair donor is a Lewis base. A Lewis base होगा. ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट करके I3 माइनस होगा. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी लुईस बेस. और एक चीज है मेरे पास, इसका हाइब्रिडेशन क्या होगा, ज्योमेट्री क्या होगा. एंड I3 माइनस इज द लुईस बेस. सो I3 माइनस का शेप एंड हाइब्रिडेशन क्या होगा, I and I, and it is going to be minus, and it is going to be linear. It is going to be a linear. Yes, it is D. Ajay, it is D, not C. And is sp3d hybridization, and 3 lone pair and 2 bond pair. So this is interpretation of this. Ajay, you correct yourself. बच्चों और एक क्वेश्चन दे सकते हैं, तैयार हैं? Ready for that? Very good. And polarizing power of cadmium 2 plus. Everybody involve and be interactive in this live session. This is a live session, not a radio session. So you just try to be interactive with us, so that let your answer be correct or wrong. We are going to explore that. We'll do the best, right? Okay. Anyway, so polarizing power of cadmium 2 plus on the anions is stronger than calcium 2 plus. Why this is? What is the meaning of polarizing power? Cation and it is anion. So the deformation of anion by cation is called as a polarization. So what happened? This polarization, this is what you say polarization. This is what you say polarization. Understand? Yes, this is what you say polarization. Good afternoon, Monica. How are you? So this is called polarization. This has a polarizing power. So this is what you say polarization. In this polarization, cation has the polarizing power. So Monica, polarizing power. Is directly proportional to charge on cation. In this charge on cation, but here cadmium 2 plus and calcium 2 plus दोनों के चार्ज एक ही होगा, लेकिन उसमें कौन सा आयन का पोलराइजिंग पावर ज्यादा होगा? It has 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. इनका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होगा, क्योंकि ये वाला ट्रांजिशन मेटल है. हर ट्रांजिशन मेटल का आउटर मोस्ट में 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होता है, क्योंकि डी ऑर्बिटल इस्तेमाल करता है इसमें. सो जिसमें 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आता है, दिस इज व्हाट यू से सूडो नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है. जिस आयन में सूडो नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा, उस आयन का पोलराइजिंग पावर ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि इसका आंसर आता है कैल्शियम 2 प्लस आयन नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, वायर कैडमियम 2 प्लस है सूडो नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन विथ 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड इट्स आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन. दिस इज द एप्रोप्रिएट रीजन फॉर दिस. समझ में आ रही है बेटा? मौनिका, अजय एंड मनहा, अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो पूछ लो. हो गया? राइट. Like is, yeah, thank you अजय. एंड और एक चीज है, आपका आंसर डी होगा पक्का. वेरी गुड. एंड द डेंसिटी ऑफ ईडीटीए क्या होगा बेटा? अजय, मोनिका, राइट? दैट्स गुड, दैट्स नाइस इंटरेक्शन. सो व्हाट इज ईडीटीए? इथिलीन डायमीन टेट्राएसिटिक एसिड इज कॉल्ड ईडीटीए. इन दैट you can see ethylene CH2, and this is called CH2, and this is called ethylene. And diamine, this is diamine, this is diamine. Tetraacetic acid, exactly Monica, 4 acetic acid molecules, tetraacetate, COO minus, CH2, COO minus, and it is going to be CH2, COO minus, and it is going to be CH2, COO minus. So I just want to say, check this here. It is a density donor. Here it is a donor, lone pair of electron, donor, lone pair of electron, donor. So how many donations it can do? 6 donations it can do. So that iska answer aata hai. Monica said it is hexadentate. Perfect answer. Perfect answer. I like this. So this is how the session is going to be live and interactive. Ajay, next question. Any doubt, Ajay beta? Very good. Now let us say, Arey sir, why you are discussing only about complex compounds? Yes, if you're writing a NEET examination, there is a question from the complex compounds. 4 marks should be yours. है ना? So get ready with that. So don't take any chance. So whenever the chance probability of getting questions are more, definitely you can get 2 questions if possible, direct or indirect. So focus on the inorganic chemistry bacho, and CrNH35Br Cl and CrNH35Cl Br can be distinguished by ionization isomerism shown here. I wanted to know what is the exact answer. Okay, Monica. Okay, Ajay, tell me the answer. Let it be wrong. I am going to correct. Don't worry, you are in a safe hands. We are exploring the subject over here. So these are all very important questions. No wonder you are going to have these questions. If you get the same question from the upcoming NEET examination, why it can't come, or definitely it may come. Ajay beta, right? So answer B. Okay, Monica, wonderful, well done. So जो मौनिका आंसर दिया ना, पक्का अच्छा बात है. So if this is ionized, you can see, let me ionize this CrNH3 5 times, Br, and it is going to be Cl, and it is going to be CrNH3 5 times, and Cl, and it is going to be Br. दोनों का क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अगर ये वाला आइनेज करेंगे तो it is going to get, Monica, yes, you are going to get CrNH3 5 times Br, and it is going to be Cl plus, and you are going to get CrNH3 5 times Cl plus and Br minus. Okay, so they are giving different ions when they dissolve in the water, and this solution is going to react with AgNO3, gives rise AgCl as a white precipitate. This is going to react with AgNO3, gives rise AgBr, a pale yellow precipitate. So white precipitate, it is going to be pale yellow precipitate. So I would say, I can say AgNO3 इस्तेमाल कर सकते, they are ionization isomers. जो आंसर दिया मौनिका सही है. अजय, I want you to give the answer बेटा. Okay, so explore something here. Very good answer बच्चों, nice. Next answer is B. Check your answer. And also one more question. So optical isomerism is not shown by the complex. Generally octahedral complexes shows optical isomerism. When it comes to optical isomerism, generally cis are going to be optically active, where trans is not. So when you check this trans isomer, it has a symmetry. So with the symmetry, it is not going to be optically active. That is a simple trick, you can get it. So answer is going to be here, simple trick. Okay, Monica, that's good, wonderful. Next, and these two are going to be Ajay beta, Ajay, and FeNO2 3Cl3 and FeONO 3Cl3 shows what kind of isomerism in that. फिर भी ना, whenever Ambidentate ligands are coming. Whenever ambidentate ligands are coming, क्या होगा? Linkage होगा. So as a result of this, you are going to get a linkage isomerism. You are going to get a linkage isomerism. Understand? Clear? Very good. Ambidentate ligands shows linkage isomerism. Harshal. Yeah. Hi Harshal. Next, which of the following is the highest molar conductivity in the solution? Today's class of interest is all about the reasoning, proper reasoning. है ना? What could be the proper reasoning for this? Harshal, that's good, wonderful. Ajay, Harshal, come on. Which of the following has the highest molar conductivity? The molar conductivity, उसमें एक पॉइंट में देना चाहता हूं, मोलर कंडक्टिविटी is directly proportional to number of ions. Number of ions. So let us ionize this. ये कितना आयन्स दे सकते हैं? PT, NH3, 6 and 4Cl minus and 4 plus. Total 5 ions it is giving. It is going to give you PT, NH3, 5 and Cl3. You are going to get 3 Cl isomers, ions. It is going to give you PT, NH3, 5Cl2 and 2Cl minus. Okay, 3 plus and it is going to be 2 plus. है ना? Harsh, very good. Now कैसे बता सकते हैं ये वाला? देखो मौनिका, हर्षल, जितना आयन्स आ रहा है ना देखो. It is going to get PT, NH3 5 times and Cl3. Okay, doesn't matter, Cl2, 3 plus 2, no? Okay, make it 3. 3L and Cl. Now you can see here there are 2 ions, there are 3 ions, there are 4 ions, there are 5 ions. Maximum number of ions are obtained. Okay, Monica, correct, perfect. So जो compound आयनाइजेशन ज़्यादा आयन्स दे सकता है इसका मोलर कंडक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होगा. Answer is going to be A. Hope you are 2 ions in the fourth option. Perfect. Yeah. Harshal, hope you understand. Clear? You corrected yourself. Wonderful, wonderful. Nice. Next question. बच्चों तैयार है बेटा? या अरे अजय कहाँ गया? और एक क्वेश्चन है, which of the following has a square planar geometry? किसको बताए? So you are going to see the PTCl 2 minus, it is going to have the square planar geometry because it has DsP2 hybridization. Cl and Cl, Cl and Cl, it is going to be 2 minus. So its hybridization is going to be DsP2 and it is going to be square planar. Square planar geometry. Are you getting or not? Clear? Now, which of the following coordination entity is paramagnetic? Which of the following entity is going to get a paramagnetic? VBT इस्तेमाल करो. You use VBT. Maunika, Harshal and Ajay use VBT. Okay. When you use VBT, it is going to be nickel Cl4 2 minus, it is going to be sp3 hybridization, tetrahedral, and it is going to be paramagnetic. So अचानक आपको और दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है तो so far in the sequence of coordination complexes only coming. Slowly you are going to get a question from solutions also. Okay, you may be getting from organic also. Ready for that? Every question, yes, you got the answer being wonderful. And the coordination number and oxidation number of chromium in K3, Cr, C2, O4, 3R respectively. Coordination number is equal to number of ligands into denticity. What is the denticity for oxalate? 2. And how many oxalates are there? 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So there are coordination number 6. And it is going to show plus 3 oxidation state. So 6 and plus 3. The option 1 is the correct answer. Option A. So it's a rapid fire. I am not going to pause anywhere. Maunika, it is not 2. It is option A. Are you getting or not? Because coordination number is equal to 2 into denticity, number of ligands into denticity. Number of ligands into denticity. ठीक है? That's perfect. That's perfect. You all take a pen and paper. Write along with me. Oxalate is 2. Okay, that's fine. Be clear when you write something so that I may misunderstand. Yes, your statement is absolutely accepted. Next, a blue coloration is not observed when? It is related to application of complex compounds. It is related to coordination complexes and qualitative analysis. It is also related to qualitative analysis. Perfect. Come on. Here ammonium hydroxide is added to copper sulfate. It is going to give deep blue color complex. Deep blue color complex, that is CO NH3 4 times and 2 plus. Anhydrous white copper sulfate is dissolved in the water. You are going to get copper sulfate dot 5 H2O. Whereas copper sulfate reacted with K4FeCN6, you are going to get a chocolate color complex. So this is not going to be blue color, it is going to give chocolate. So answer B is the correct answer for this, not C. Fine. FeCl3 react with K4FeCN6. It is going to get Fe4FeCN6 rise. Prussian blue is formed. है ना? So it is also a blue in color. Prussian blue is formed. So take care of the analytics. Next, among the following complex ions which will not show optical activity, फिर भी आप देखना पड़ता है. Use the logic and you can get it. Maunika, nice interaction. What about other students online? Acha, it is going to be CrNH3 4 times Cl2. So you are going to see various isomers. Cr, Cl, and it is going to be Cl, NH3. It is asymmetric and it can show optical isomerism. It can show optical isomerism. Are you getting or not? You don't know, okay, this is your logic. Okay? Okay, so answer is going to be D. और एक कर सकते हैं. I said it is a rapid fire बच्चों. It is a rapid fire. And copper sulfate when react with KCN forms X, which is insoluble in water. X is soluble in excess of KCN due to the formation of, yeah, wow. Just tell me anything. Hurry, don't know, you studied. Keep your NCERT book along with you. You can look at NCERT and you can directly give the answer for this. Wonderful. Okay, I can give you the answer. So it is going to be copper sulfate react with KCN gives rise copper cyanide and CN twice and K2SO4. And this copper cyanide excess KCN, you are going to get K3Cu CN4 twice. So you are going to get K3Cu CN4 twice. So the answer is going to be B. Everybody please make a note of it. You please make a note of it. Okay, I can clear this. So follow with me. So this kind of sessions are definitely helpful for the students who are preparing for NEET examination, because NEET examination criteria number 1, recalling the concepts. Criteria number 2, fast and precision. So we are discussing the concept at the level of NEET examination, at the level of precision, and we are maintaining that tempo. And that speed is utmost important, bachcho. So hope you are all understanding, not only Maunika, but also every student in the class. You can talk to us and you can do the best. Enough? God bless you all. Take care of you. And the correct order of magnetic moments be known your value. So magnetic moment can be calculated by using a formula root over n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton is the unit, where n is equal to number of unpaired electrons. So magnetic moment, I just want to say, directly proportional to number of unpaired electrons. You can write the electronic configuration. Monica, there is no benchmark that you can claim that you are an average student. So far, I have seen except 2 questions, you did well. I am a senior faculty of 25 years experience. I have seen hundreds, thousands of students, and those students below your level got into the medical colleges. Then what I precisely can say that you have enough potential to undergo into the medical colleges. Monica, be confident and you can do the best. Thumbs up. And you can connect with Infinity Learn, and you can connect with me even, right? You can connect Infinity Learn and you can connect even with me. I can directly talk to you on over call. I can arrange a call or you can connect with me. Okay, and still you have a ample of huge chance. You never, first one thing you promise me, Maunika, don't say that you are an average student. You are a very good student, good and very good student, I said. Hana? Yeah, that motivation is required. Sab log, not only Maunika, in this class who are there in the live, okay, feel that, never judge yourself, never underestimate yourself that you are an average student, below average student. Here we are all here to help you, to motivate you, to raise your confidence levels up, and to give you the best academic help. And definitely one thing you should inculcate in your mind, that is a belief system. You believe in us and regularly connect with me in a regular online classes every day 1:30 afternoon on Infinity Learn YouTube channel, and definitely you can do. So Liaquat Ali, hi beta, hi beta, good afternoon. Yes, Monica. So you can apply this and you can find the number of unpaired electrons. You can see that. Apply this VBT or simply write the ionic electronic configuration. You will get the number of unpaired electrons and that required magnetic movement. है ना? Liaquat, hello. Good afternoon. अगर डाउट है ना तो पूछना बेटा. And these are the D6, D5, D7. So number of unpaired electron बढ़ जाएंगे तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट में बढ़ जाएगा. हसन मोहम्मद, गुड मॉर्निंग या गुड आफ्टरनून बोलो, इंडिया का स्टैंडर्ड टाइम है. शायद आप आउटसाइड इंडिया में है क्या? हसन मोहम्मद. Okay, so you have the certain test series packs and certain courses are available, and you can join there and you can connect with us. Okay. Oh, you're from Ladakh. I only study through online. Perfect. Are you regularly attending the classes with us? Monica. So I actually teach the students who are outside India, also Singapore and Netherlands, Poland and Gulf, Saudi, Dubai, Oman, okay, and that sector completely, okay, and all over India as well, right? So that's why. Monica, you're from Telangana. Yeah, right now I'm at Hyderabad, the Infinity Learn YouTube channel, okay, on corporate office. Nice to interact you guys. So chit chatting is over. Let us discuss about अगले क्वेश्चन क्या. सो मैं क्या, व्हाट इज द डायस्टेरियोमर्स ऑफ प्लेस्टार्टरिक एसिड. अरे बेटा व्हाट इज दिस. फिलहाल सर कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड से क्वेश्चन उठा के दिया. अभी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री डायस्टेरियोमर्स होता है. ओके, यू आर फ्रॉम खम्मम. ओके, गुड, नाइस. Monica, God bless you. Right? Okay. What is the diastereomers of plastoarteric acid? What is the basic meaning of a diastereomer? A pair of stereomers which are non-superimposable, non-mirror images are called diastereomers. So, इसका टार्टारिक एसिड का स्ट्रक्चर आता है आपका COOH and OH and OH. This is COOH. This could be plus or minus, जो भी हो सकता है. Okay, so this is the tartaric acid. And what is this malic acid and what is this mesotartaric acid? This is either plus or minus. Then what is the mesotartaric acid? Mesotartaric आता है ये वाला. Mesotartaric acid is optically inactive due to presence of plane of symmetry. So this is mesotartaric acid. Then what is a malic acid? What is malic acid? Malic acid होता है CH double bond CH and COOH and COOH, and this is what is malic acid. And what is minus tartaric acid? अगर ये वाला प्लस होगा तो इसका आता है माइनस टार्टारिक एसिड. इसका मिरर इमेज होगा, इसका मिरर इमेज होगा माइनस टार्टारिक एसिड. सो इसमें आता है आपका आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ दिस. एंड it is going to be only mesotartaric acid. It is going to be only mesotartaric acid. क्योंकि ये वाला this and this two are going to be enantiomers. enantiomers. ठीक है मौनिका, you correct yourself, this is your C, this is your C. And और एक चीज है, slowly getting into the organic now. Okay, HCl passed through a solution of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, sodium chloride compounds. So the ions that crystallizes are now so far inorganic, organic, now crystallizes. So we are into ionic equilibrium. जिसका solubility ज़्यादा है ये नहीं crystallize होगा, जिसका solubility कम है ये ज़्यादा crystallize होगा. Okay बेटा, the one which is having more solubility, once again Monica, you are asking something about, once again may I know for what you are asking once again? ये क्वेश्चन का पिछले लास्ट क्वेश्चन, once again actually definitely everybody's answer is going to be explained. Now this is a tartaric acid and this is a tartaric acid. If this is the plus tartaric acid, this is going to be minus tartaric acid. And plus and minus, dextro and levo are the pair of stereoisomers which are mirror images to each other, so they are called as enantiomers. And whereas mesotartaric acid is having a plane of symmetry, if you take the plus and minus, they are diastereomers. They are neither mirror images nor superimposable. Okay, so the always meso and plus or minus are going to be pair of diastereomers. So I just want to say mesotartaric acid is not a mirror image of this. So that is called as diastereomer. If mirror image, enantiomer, if not, it is going to be a diastereomer. Are you getting or not clear? Lovely. Answer, thank you bolo. Okay. Layakat, you are with Infinity Lane. Hasan Muhammad. So you are from Ladakh, you are studying only through online, you said now. Once you are studying through online, and are you connected with Infinity Lane? And you can check with the description box and you can just go through various things which are available online for preparation. Okay. Anyways, HCl is passed through a solution of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and sodium chloride. The compounds that crystallizes are, the one which is more soluble is ready for solution, and the one which is less soluble is more ready for crystallization. ठीक है? And you can see here बच्चों, you are going to be only NaCl. Why? Because common ion effect is the common thing here. So what is the meaning of common ion effect? When addition of an electrolyte decreases the actual dissociation. So main reason behind the precipitation of the solution is caused by calcium chloride and magnesium chloride are more soluble than NaCl. So NaCl is less soluble over here. On passing HCl through a solution containing calcium chloride, magnesium chloride and sodium chloride, okay, ionic product of Na plus and Cl minus become more than the solubility product than the calcium 2 plus and magnesium 2 plus. Therefore, NaCl is precipitated out fast, so that crystals of NaCl is going to be formed. Monica and Liaquat, Hassan, everybody take a snapshot of this. Is a super reasoning question. Okay, so that calcium chloride and magnesium chloride remain in the soluble form in the solutions. Okay. Fine. So take a snapshot of this, it's a super question. And one more, LIF is sparingly soluble in water. Why? Because it has sparingly soluble का मतलब क्या? ये बहुत कम से कम soluble है, क्योंकि however it is ionic, इसका partial covalent character है. Thank you very much. क्योंकि लिथियम जिसका साइज बहुत कम है, so that lithium plus and fluorine minus, so because of the small size it is having more polarization, Fazan rule का हिसाब से, so it has more covalent character. So the answer is going to be 1. You don't say C. Okay. Okay, high lattice energy भी होगा, and the structure of beryllium chloride in solid state and the vapor state. अरे बेरिलियम क्लोराइड आता है का? Beryllium chloride, it exists in the vapor state like this. Okay, and it is going to be linear, and beryllium chloride, bridge chlorines will be there, and it is going to be dimeric state. So it is going to be a dimeric, yes, and your answer is going to be in the dimer and the linear and respectively. So beryllium chloride in the solid state, dimer in the solid state, and it is a linear in the vapor state. Sir, you don't say S block हटा दिया, नहीं ऐसे नहीं होगा बेटा. This can be connected to the shapes, so you can be asked in the case of chemical bonding as well. And also identify the correct statement from the following. It's a tricky question. Read this question and 4 options carefully. You will be trapped somewhere. Trappy questions. Read this trappy question. So the correct order of hydration enthalpies of alkaline, earth, metal and cations. Hydration enthalpy is directly proportional to 1 by charge density. So it is actually supposed to be greater than. तभी ये सही होगा. You're asked to calculate. Correct one. है ना? Yes. And this one is wrong. Whereas lithium and magnesium show some similarities in their physical properties as they are diagonally placed in the periodic table. Yes, of course it is correct. ये गलत बात है. ठीक है बेटा? So this is how you have to identify. And lithium is softer among all alkali metals. Lithium is hard metal as compared to other alkali metals because of the small size. Sir, अरे incorrect ना Monica, मैं अभी I have given the wrong here, right? Now lithium chloride is deliquescent. Yes, it is correct. And it crystallizes as hydrate. Yes, it is correct. But it is wrong. You see how tricky the question is, because lithium chloride exists as dihydrate but not hexahydrate. So my answer is going to be 2 over here. Such a beautiful answer. Got it? Clear? Fine. Take a snapshot. This is the quality of the questions that we are discussing, and definitely no wonder if you get the same questions in this upcoming NEET examination. So like these questions, definitely you are going to get it. Okay. Now, which of the following is an amphoteric oxide? How to answer this question? Jaldi, fatafat de. Fatafat. Monica, Hassan. Beryllium gives rise hydroxide. Magnesium, hydroxide. Calcium, hydroxide. Strontium, hydroxide. And barium, hydroxide. When you do so, these are all basic, and the basic strength increases. And these are all, this is, while it you can say it is amphoteric. It can react with an acid as well as base. Therefore, I would say the answer for this question, Monica, what is the answer for this question? Answer is going to be 1. Beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric. है ना? Yes, Be. Now, which of the alkali metal chloride forms a dihydrate? Dihydrate. Just we learned. No. Alkali metal. Just we learned this. Lithium chloride dot 2H2O dihydrate. है ना? And today today more than 50 questions has been done in the rapid fire in the last 50 minutes. So this is your answer. So lithium chloride exists as a dihydrate. So now in a compound C3H6O, following test has been observed: Br2 water negative test, 2,4-DNP negative test, sodium metal negative test. So the compound can be quick. Make it fast. So Br2 and H2O. So this indicates alkene is absent. So unsaturated is not there. Gone. And 2,4-DNP, carbonyls absent. Carbonyl absent. So ketone is not there. Sodium metal, acidic hydrogen, like a phenol, carboxylic acid and alcohols are not there. Alkanol is not there. So क्या बचे आपको? Ether. Cyclic epoxide means ether. So this is a reasoning kind of questions, analytical reasoning questions. Option B is the correct answer. So we learned so many things in today's class. We gathered questions from NCERT based NEET examination point of view. Okay, Monica, hope you enjoyed today's class. Hassan, बच्चों लोग, hope you enjoyed. You please a like and thumbs up and fire emoji in the chat box. Fatafat. So hope you enjoyed today's class. So please like our session, share with your friends, subscribe to Infinity Learn channel, and I would say advanced happy new year for NEET 2025 examination as well. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Stay tuned, Monica, and फिर मिलेंगे. Thank you. Bye bye.